Scan Pro Video have put together some great professional bundle deals for content creators like this, the 3XS Premiere Pro HD Editing Bundle, which is perfect for anyone starting out as an editor with Premiere Pro and includes everything you need to get started right away, from your PC through to your keyboard. You get the powerful 3XS Evolve NLE HD RTX Studio workstation with a super fast AMD Ryzen CPU which has 8 cores and 16 threads, making it ideal for multitasking and fast rendering. This is paired with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, making it perfect for 4K editing. Your 3XS RTX Studio workstation will also have Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and a premium 3-year warranty. To accompany all this, you'll get a LoupeDeck CT editing console, enabling faster, more efficient editing and the ability to seamlessly switch between your software, tools and functions. And to complete this professional bundle, you'll also get an EditorsKeys Premiere Pro keyboard with colour-coded keys to help you find and memorise the shortcuts that you most regularly use. You can check this out and other great deals at scan.co.uk/provideo.